Fix Start menu resets to default automatically in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Uninstall the latest Windows update. If your issues began after updating Windows, you can uninstall the latest update and see if that resolves the Start menu resets. Fix 2. Run SFC and DISM. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Fix 3. Re-register the Start menu. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Fix 4. Use System Restore. You could attempt to restore your system to a time when Start menu was not problematic. Pick the time before the problem occurred and click Next. Your computer will reboot.